Hi friends, I will show you a short tutorial how to speed up a Windows 10 computer on your laptop or on your PC. Okay, let's start guys. First, we clean the temporary files. You can delete all temporary files. You can do this once a week. Okay, now how to delete the temporary files? On your keyboard, type Windows key plus O. And then the run window will be open. Now type percent 10%, 10%, and then click OK. Now the temporary files, the window will be open. A new window will be open, and there is a temporary files. There are many temporary files. You can delete all. Okay, now delete all. Select all, Control A, Control A. It means select all, and then delete. Click. Okay, right click, choose delete. Okay. 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 You don't have to worry about delete the temporary files. Okay. Now the second, open Task Manager. After you delete all temporary files, now the second is open Task Manager. Type Ctrl Alt Del on your keyboard. Ctrl Alt Del. Okay, and then choose Task Manager. Okay, Task Manager will be open. After that, check running application on tab Startup. Okay, on tab Startup, open tab Startup. Now there are many applications running. Do disable for applications that are not used. Do disable for applications that are not used. Okay, for example, like this. I don't use CC Cleaner, so I disable. How to disable? Just right click, choose disable. Okay, now I'll try to enable. Okay, the status is enable. Now right click, choose disable, and then find the other application that are not used. Okay, now Opera. I don't use Opera application because I already use Chrome, Google Chrome. Now choose select or choose disable. Okay, the status is changed. The status now is disabled. Okay. Check all applications that are not used. Okay. how many applications disabled on my laptop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Now close the Task Manager. Okay. Close the Task Manager. Okay. Now the third, open Windows Explorer on this window. Open Windows Explorer on this window. How to open? Right click, choose File Explorer. Right click, choose File Explorer. Okay. On this PC, right click, choose Properties. Okay. Then click Advanced System Setting. This one. Click Advanced System Setting. Now, on tab Advanced System Properties, tab Advanced, choose Performance, Visual Effect Processor. Okay, click Setting. Okay, the default setting on your laptop, it must be this one. Adjust for best appearance. And then it will be active all. Now click Custom. Okay. After click Custom, the less that is selected, then the faster the performance will be. Okay. This is my setting. I just selected Enable Pick, show thumbnails instead of icons, show window contents while dragging, slide open combo box, smooth edge of screen fonts, and smooth scroll list boxes. Okay, you can choose like this, like my setting. You can select like my settings, or you have your own choice. Up to you. But the less that is selected, then the faster the performance will be. And then click OK. Click OK. Okay. Now, the fourth. Uninstall software applications that are not used. This will reduce the memory load and hard drive capacity. Check your application that are not used. On Control Panel, tap here. Type Control Panel. Open. Now, click Uninstall Programs. Uninstall a program. Okay. Now, check what applications that are not used and uninstall. This will reduce the memory load and the hard drive capacity. Okay. How to uninstall? Just click. Okay, which one? Foxit. Okay. Click twice and click yes. Uninstall or change an application, and after you click yes, the software will be uninstalled. Okay. Now the next, look on the bottom right. Click show hidden icon. Okay. There is a display like this. Disable or quit on unused application. This will lighten the load when loading Windows. Okay. Okay. Like this. Just right click, quit. Like that. Now open the control panel. Okay, this is the last. Open the control panel. Click hardware and sound. Okay. And then select power option. Power option. Okay, this power option. Click. Select choose what the power buttons do. On the left side, choose what the power buttons do. Okay, now look at this. Turn on fast startup. Recommended. This must be active or must be selected. Okay, if this selected, if it has been selected, it's okay. So how to change? Click this one. Change settings that are currently unavailable. Okay, inactive, active. Okay, you must make sure this option turn on fast startup recommended. This must be selected or must be active. Okay, and then save. Okay, that's a simple way that you can do to improve the performance of your laptop or computer without without no need for additional cost and without any tools. You need no cost, anything, no tools. If you have done everything but the performance still feel slow, then you have to add the memory, or you can also replace the hard drive with an SSD. Okay, hopefully it is useful. Okay, the last, restart your PC or restart your laptop. To activate your setting, you must restart. Okay, thank you.